Lakeshore Lanes is a major part of the St. Clair Shores community, as the new owners hope to bring in even more customers within the city.
I'm just focused on bringing the city of St. Clair Shores into this building, whether it be the businesses, the families, whatever. I just want everybody in this city to come over here. It's really the only bowling alley in the city, and not around the city, but in the city. The new remodels and a lot of the new things that we put into the building, I think is bringing the city even closer.
A huge time they bring in a lot of customers is during the weekends, because the atmosphere is a place everyone wants to be.
On the weekends, it's a little bit more party-ish, I would say. And just a lot more people that have an open schedule that are able to bowl on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. And it just brings a different atmosphere of families and sometimes just adults during the nighttime.
Due to the atmosphere of the bowling alley, people from all over St. Clair Shores come to Lakeshore Lanes.